If you've ever tuned into a TikTok live stream and seen viewers showering their favorite creators with virtual gifts, you might have wondered exactly what those gifts are worth. These gifts are powered by TikTok coins, a digital currency that keeps the platform's creator economy buzzing. But how much is 1,000 TikTok coins really worth? And what does that mean for creators hoping to cash in on their content? Let's break it down. Right now, 100 TikTok coins cost about $1.29. That means if you've got 1,000 coins sitting in your TikTok balance, you're looking at roughly $13.50. It's a simple equation, but there's more to the story. The value of coins can fluctuate, so it's always smart to check the latest exchange rates within the app before making any big moves. TikTok is constantly evolving, and so is its in-app economy. So how do these coins actually work? TikTok coins are an in-app currency that viewers purchase with real money. Once purchased, these coins can be used to buy virtual gifts. Think of fun emojis, stickers, and animations, which are then sent to creators during their live streams as a form of appreciation or support. Every emoji has its own coin value. For example, a panda emoji might cost 5 coins, while something flashier, like the "I'm very rich" emoji, clocks in at a whopping 1,000 coins. When a viewer sends a gift, the creator receives it as coins, which they can later convert into real-world cash. If you're a creator looking to boost your TikTok earnings, live streaming is your best friend. The more engaging and interactive your streams are, the more likely your fans are to send you gifts. Building a loyal audience doesn't always require millions of followers. Even a small but dedicated community can lead to a steady stream of coins if you consistently deliver content that resonates. Setting a regular live streaming schedule, letting your followers know when you'll be online, and engaging with viewers during your stream are all powerful ways to keep your audience coming back and keep those coins flowing in. Now, let's talk about cashing out. After you've accumulated a pile of coins, TikTok allows you to convert them into cash. Here's how the process works. When you're ready, you can go to your TikTok coin balance and select the option to cash out. Your coins are converted into TikTok diamonds, which are worth about half the value of coins. So, for every 200 coins, you'll get 100 diamonds. These diamonds can then be withdrawn as real money, usually through a linked PayPal account. There are some minimum and maximum withdrawal limits to keep in mind. TikTok typically allows withdrawals starting at $100, with a maximum of $1,000 per day. It's important to remember that TikTok takes a commission on every transaction, so you won't pocket the full value of the coins you receive. Still, for many creators, the combination of tips, engagement, and the thrill of connecting with a live audience makes live streaming a rewarding part of their TikTok journey. In the end, 1,000 TikTok coins might not make you rich overnight, but it's a tangible reward for your creativity and hard work. Whether you're just starting out or looking to take your TikTok game to the next level, understanding how the coin system works is key to turning your passion into profit. With consistent content, genuine engagement, and a strategy to grow your following, you can turn those virtual gifts into real rewards. And keep doing what you love on one of the world's most exciting social platforms.